Hi, thanks for joining me for those 3 lessons. Hope you're having a lot of fun with SVG. If you're overwhelmed, that's going to be kind of natural. So these are actually drills. The key to mastering it is to repeat it a number of times. So if you go through lesson number 1 and you're just trying to figure out how to load the library, if you're confused, what you can do is repeat it a number of times. I suggest starting off with a blank text editor, just nothing on it, to start building the HTML. Then load the JavaScript library for D3. Maybe another day, go back and start loading the SVG viewport, and then the circle. Again, I think the key is repetition here. If you don't understand quite what's going on, you could type it in and do it a number of times. Eventually, it will become clear. You can, of course, go online and read more about SVG for the libraries, or you can also just go through the drills. Over time, you'll start to understand the sequence. It's going to be a lot of fun. D3 is extremely powerful. It can be confusing. It's okay. A lot of people are confused. Just keep going through it and don't give up. Remember, the main thing is to have fun. See you online soon.